Hello everyone, welcome back to the JWT implementation series in Angular by Smart Semester. So far, we have completed most of the authentication flow. We implemented a login, stored JWT tokens, protected routes using guards, and attached tokens automatically to API request using interceptors. Now, in this video, we are going to complete the authentication cycle by implementing logout functionality. Why logout is important? Login allows a user to enter the system, but logout is equally important because it allows the user to safely exit the application. When a user logs out, the token should be removed. The user should not be able to access protected routes and they should be redirected back to the login page. So inside our home component below this, we will add a button logout. After this button, let's add 2 more lines so that it looks good. And when user clicks on this logout button, on click, we have to call a function called logout, and we have to define it in home.ts file. Logout inside that function, instead of writing logout logic directly, we call a method from our auth service. Because all authentication related logic should stay inside the service, this keeps our components clean and organized. So we will call a method of auth service called logout. That's it. And we have to implement that logout function in our service. Logout, what it should do, it should clear the local storage dot remove item. What it has to remove? JWT token. Not only the JWT token, there is also another token, local storage dot remove token, remove item, refresh token. After removing these two, we have to alert the user that logged out successfully. Logged out successfully. And then we should allow him to, we should redirect him to login page. That's it. Why route? I think we have to import it here. Okay. Private route equals to inject route. That's it. We have to import it. Done. Save it. Save all the files. That's it. Run our application ng serve. So once logout is triggered, token is deleted and user is redirected to login component. Now let's test it. Let me open the developer tools application. Here the tokens initially are empty. I am trying to log in with the credentials. Login So login is successful and the tokens got generated. When we click on get user details, we are able to fetch successfully because tokens are there and tokens are attached to the outgoing request with the help of interceptor. Interceptor is also working properly. Now if I click on logout, these tokens should be removed and we should redirect to the login component. I am clicking on logout, so we logged out successfully and we are getting redirected to the login page. If we enter home here manually, no, it won't go because tokens are not there. Here God comes into the play. First it checks whether tokens are existing or not. Since tokens are not there, we are again getting redirected to the login component. With this, we have successfully implemented JWT authentication in Angular. In the upcoming videos, we explore advanced improvements like refreshing the token and how to handle token expiration. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.